Hey guys, welcome back. So we're at the waterfall spot. I haven't been here in ages, and yeah, it's very we'll just say wet. Yeah, so lots of nice little watery lines to take over there. James has got his Fury out again today. I got my budget beast since it's waterproof, going to take some watery lines, and I've also got my little Panda X2T. Apparently that is waterproof straight out the box. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun today. And we're making a bit of a trail around here, guys. Just sculpting what we got. Yeah, I say James is the one with the tool. A really nice line there up the side of the hill. Looking forward to seeing what he comes up with. What an awesome spot, guys. I'm so lucky to have this on my doorstep. This is literally at the bottom of my street, and I feel privileged. And I'd also like to say, guys, if any of you guys want to come visit Wales and try out some trails here, you're more than welcome. Hit me up in the on my Facebook page, the High Call 34. I'll leave a link in the description below. Yeah, we'll try and arrange some trail days down here in Wales, and hopefully by then James will have built an 18-hole course for us to try out. This is number one. I'm joking. Hey, as they say, not all heroes wear capes. So while waiting for the basic foundations to be carved out there, I'm gonna clean off my tyres, and we're gonna take the budget beast, do some nice watery lines here. Really liking my budget beast. It's fun just to have something, yeah, you know, go out, do it all, and it's not breaking the bank at all. Tricky line up there. I think I can get up it. Just gotta stay close to this side here. Yes, little budget beast. Come on, out the other side. What are we hooked up on? Yes. And out the other side. A little update on James there, moving around the mountainside like a little mountain goat that he is. Looking good. I think what he's doing, he's building this line and this little track in mind for his FTX Fury, so it's going to be extremely challenging for my little budget beast or my little budget critters. Right, I really enjoyed that. Let's take that line in reverse and try and get back out the other side. Should be easier in reverse, I'm hoping. For some reason, there's just something about these trucks in water, they look so good in the water. Oh, looks like a tricky line out the other side. Can we make it out? Yes, budget beast, straight out. Hey, found a washed up Tamagotchi.
Party like it's 1997.
I say I've seen those since the 90s. Straight up budget beast. It's come back down these rapids, so to speak. Come on, you got him. Yes. I think we're out. Ooh, some rocks underwater. Panda having a break. Oh, I was going too fast. Panda made it through, and I follow with the Budget Beast. Oh, teetering, teetering, teetering. Struggling to find grip here. The Panda flew up this section. Yes, Budget Beast. Plan my line carefully. I can see a perfect line for this scale truck. Swoop in. Yes. And then carefully out the other side here. Pretty big drop down there, guys. Down to the left. Oh, this is where you don't want to be making mistakes. And out the other side. Nice. Hey, Panda. Oh, oh, oh. I'm not going to be able to drive that from up down here. When in doubt, throttle out. Yes, Budget Beast. Hey guys, I've had a blast up on the trail today. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Anybody ask for a slide? Here we go. Oh, amazing. I love this truck. Look at it, straight up the other side. That is epic! And out the other side.